During this COVID pandemic, we know screen time spent by our children is increasing. Let us see the effects of screen time in today's video. Hi friends, I am Dr. Karamat. This is Scientific Doctor channel. In this channel, every week health related explanations are provided via videos. If you want to see these videos, kindly subscribe to this channel. Also, if you have any topics which are to be covered in subsequent videos, kindly post it in the comment section below. I'll try to include those topics in the coming weeks. This week's video is on screen time, especially for children, and what are the effects and what is the time limit for this. What is screen time? Screen time is the amount of time spent on watching any type of digital screens, including televisions, smartphones, personal computers, laptops, video game consoles. So all these devices, these are digital devices. They used to have these CRT screens. Nowadays they have LED screens. The amount of time spent on watching these devices is called screen time. What is happening to screen time? Every one of us know that the screen time is increasing. In fact, in a recent US study, it is observed that even less than 2-year-old children spend around an hour, more than 42 minutes per day watching screens, and it increases to more than 7 hours for teenage, that is between 13 to 18-year-old children. So obviously screen time is increasing. So increasing use of social media, increasing use of screens for educational purposes, this COVID pandemic, changing socio-political, socio-economic status. So all these have resulted in an increase in screen time. So that is irrefutable. What does this do to the children? What are the health effects of this increasing screen time? The most important effect of screen time on the health is on sleep. Increasing screen time definitely has an adverse effect on sleep. It leads to shorter sleep duration, poor quality of sleep, delayed onset of sleep. So all parameters of sleep are disturbed. Why is it so? The blue light emitted by these screens, it is like sunlight. The screens emit a wide spectrum of light, but specifically the blue light, this inhibits the release of melatonin. Melatonin is secreted by pineal gland in the brain of humans. This melatonin is essential for inducing and maintaining sleep. This is a sleep hormone. This has a calming effect. But the blue light specifically prevents the secretion of melatonin. So if you are watching the screens at night, so this has an effect in delaying the sleep. So that's why screens tend to have a negative effect on sleep outcomes. Apart from sleep, what are the other health effects? Obviously, the more time you spend on watching screens, it leads to lesser physical activities. So obesity and physical fitness take a hit. So more children or more adults become obese, and their physical fitness levels also decrease because of the decrease in physical activity and the sedentary nature when you are watching screen. They have an effect on brain development, especially in children, especially in growing brain, especially in children less than 5 years of age. So if you have more screen time in younger children, they can have delay in speech, delay in social development. So delay in brain development can happen if there is excessive screen time, especially for younger children. Even older children as well as adults can have other mental health effects. So they can be aggressive, they can be aloof, they can lose social skills. So interpersonal communication, behavior analysis, all these will be lost if you are excessively engaged in screen. They are not able to read human emotions. In fact, a well done study shows persons with higher than normal screen time versus children who were restricted screen time. The children who are restricted screen time tend to pick up emotional cues from humans better than those who watch more screen time. This has an effect even with just a week of increased screen time. So that's what happens to the person to person communication and behavioral skills. What about academic performance? Academic performance especially depends upon the quality of the content which you watch. It is not a straightforward relationship like increased screen time, poor sleep. It depends upon the quality of the content which you watch. But even then, excessive screen time obviously will lead to distractions. So it might also have an impact on academic performance. But if the screen time is properly monitored and if it is kept within limits and the content is of quality, this may in fact be of helpful in improving the academic performance. So having seen all these health effects of screen time, what are the recommended time limits for different ages? For under 2 years of age, that is from newborn till 2 years of age, all the bodies, American Academy of Pediatrics, WHO, Indian Academy of Pediatrics, all the recommending bodies advise not to use screen time except for video chatting. Especially this becomes important in case of like COVID pandemic where everybody is in isolation. So to improve social skills, probably you can have video chatting for younger kids who are not seeing anybody else, especially in these times of pandemic. But otherwise, no screen time should be allowed for younger children less than 2 years of age. What about 2 to 5 years of age? The recommended time limit, especially for 2 to 4 years, is just 1 hour per day. And this too should be supervised. What about older children? More than 4 years, more than 5 years of age. This again, I know during pandemic times, most of the academic sessions are happening online. So screen time has to be increased. But this needs to be monitored, preferably under adult supervision. If any other thing apart from your academic programs are watched, these should be with the family. And even beyond 13 years, even that is teen years, the content of social media should be restricted or should be supervised. You cannot let children have unlimited screen time at any age. Even if they are more than 13 years of age, there should be some restrictions in place. That is, I am not saying you need to invade into the privacy, but the time should be restricted, and whatever possible outdoor activities should also be encouraged. There are other effects associated with screen time, that is how to watch these without having eye strain or back problems. I will mention this in the second part of this video, which will be released next week. Kindly watch that also. If you found this video useful, kindly share it among your friends and relatives. If you want to see such videos, subscribe to this channel. Till we meet again, bye.